Oh, look. How's your yogurt, Julia? Is it delicious? Have you learned how to do it all by yourself? You won't let mommy feed you anymore. Oh, you're doing pretty good. Is it delicious? Are you getting any on your spoon? Put it back. Put it in your mouth. Mmm, yummy. It's delicious. Do you like? Mmm. Did you get a little potato with your yogurt? It's kind of yucky. It's a yucky combination. Huh. Don't flick it. Just put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Mmm, delicious. Delicious. No, it's not delicious. Is it easier to just put it in with your hand?